To use the Nevermind payments library in your code, you'll need an API key. Let's see how to generate it and how to manage its permissions for maximum security. After logging into the Nevermind app, go straight to the API keys menu and click on New API key. First, the description. Assign a clear name like Production Payments Key to identify its purpose. Next, for expiration, choose a time limit for security or select Never for continuous use. If you want to limit the key's actions for security, simply uncheck any permissions it doesn't need. The key will remain fully functional for the remaining utilities. Once configured, click Generate. Your key appears. Copy it immediately and store it securely. This key is what initializes your Nevermind payments library in your code. Perfect! Your API key is generated with the right permissions. Ready for your Python or TypeScript projects. Thanks for watching!